Hello and very much warm welcome to our today's tutorial. Today I am going to demonstrate how you can prepare bar diagram with scatter point. For the preparation of bar diagram, I am going to use these values and go to the insert option. From the insert option, choose the bars. So this is the bar from the insert option. Okay. I do not need the chart title. Okay, now let's insert some other individual points. This average value has been created from this individual points. So I am going to insert the individual points as select data, then click on add. In the add, you do not need to enter the series name, only the series value is required. So the first series value will be the first of individual corresponding data sets. Okay. And in the similar way, again add, do not need the series name, only the series value. The second sets of data for corresponding strains, and the third time, like the previous one, just add the individual data from the corresponding sets. Okay, now we are going to change chart type. Change chart type, click on change chart type. From there, select the combo. From the combo, select the first clustered column, series 2, select the Y scatter. You see the line has been converted to the scatter points. Series 3, this will also be converted in scatter. And series 4, this is also going to change in scatter. Now place OK. Now you see there is the scatter points. Now we are going to add the chart element. From chart element, we are going to add the error bars, standard error bar. And we are going to specify the value for the error bars. Select the error bar and select custom, then specify value. And these are our individual values for positive value, and these are the also the value for the negative value. Now click on OK. Now the individual error bar has been placed, and you can also modify some other for using some other formats like this. So now you have obtained a bar diagram with individual data points with each one. That's all. Thanks to all for listening.